Alright guys, now we want to implement our bootstrap template inside about page, services page and the contact page. So to do that, go to the HTML template. Okay, in my case it is in the Sublime text. So here you see this about.html. Okay, so in here this is all the static files. We don't need that because we are already loading it from the base template, and this is also header also we are loading from the base, and we don't need this main header also. Okay, and from here sub banner start we need this. Okay, we need this, so just copy this, go to the about.html here, just remove this existing code, and let's first extend the base template. Okay, extends space home, sorry, base dot html. Okay, now let's uh, block content and end this block. Okay, end block. Alright, now inside this block content we have to paste the code. Okay, so just paste this and let's refresh. I mean just go to the about page. Okay, now you can see this sub banner is working. So this is the breadcrumbs. Let's quickly fix that. This is the breadcrumbs. Now let's say URL space home dot html. Sorry, this is just home. Okay, now it should be redirecting to our home page. All right, we need to include remaining code. Just go back to the template, and here div class about car. From here to scroll down, let me say until this one. Okay, until this our team end. From this our team end, just copy this until this one. Okay, copy and paste it inside our about.html. Okay, here just paste this and save the file. Now let's reload. Alright, now this page is coming, but these are the static images, right? We have to load it from the static. And alright, don't worry about this executive team because this we are going to load from the database. Okay, let's quickly fix this one. Here, where is it? Alright, here car details slider, you can see this image tag. Just cut this. Okay, let's say static space, paste this. Okay, inside the single quotation just paste this. Okay, let me copy this same code. Okay, because as you can see this is the car 1, car 2, car 3. Okay, here also we can use this same code, but we just need to change the number. Okay, from car 1 to car 2. Same here, paste it, and 3. Since we added the static, we need to load it. Load static. Alright, now let's see. Okay, now these 3 images are working, but these thumbnails are not working because we need to fix that as well. Here it is. This is the thumbnail. This is done. We just did this one. Okay, static, static, static. Now here also same thing. Copy this and paste here. This is car 1. This is car 2 and this is car 3. Now let's check. Alright, now all the images are working. Okay, this breadcrumbs also working. Now let's go to the services page. Okay, here also we should do the same. First let's extend the base template. Extends space base.html. Okay, now this is block content, and let's end the block and block. Okay, so now go to the HTML template. Here we have services.html. Okay, ignore this thing and ignore this one also, header. We don't need this one. We need this sub banner. Just copy and paste it inside the block content, and this services start, and from there to here. Okay, this is services end. Let us copy this until this and copy and paste it here. Okay, save this. Now let's check. Okay, services page also working. All right, now we want to fix this breadcrumbs. Go to the here sub banner. Let's remove this index.html and let's redirect it to URL space home. Now this should be working. All right, home. So here now we need to fix this contact. Let's go to the contact page. The same way let's extend base template, extends space base.html and block space content end block and block. So go to the template and here we have contact.html. Scroll down and this is the sub banner. Copy and paste it inside the block content. Now again this is the contact form. Let's copy this code and paste it here. Okay, now if you go to the browser and refresh, you see the contact form here. All right, now this is the breadcrumbs. We need to fix that. Here this href. Let's remove this index.html and type in URL space home. All right, so next thing is when you click on this search icon, it is not working. Okay, the same thing if you do in the home page. Okay, when you click on this icon, it is opening the overlay which contains the search box, but in the contact page it is not working. Okay, let's see if it is working in the services page. No, it is not working as well. In the about also it is not working, right? So we should fix that. Let's first go to the home.html. okay, because this is working in the home.html. all right, scroll to the bottom of the page. Okay, here, so just scroll up a little bit. Here you see this full page search. This is nothing but our that overlay. See this div id equal to full page search, and we need this code. If you copy this here, okay, if you copy this here and put it inside the about.html, okay, here. Now let's see in the about page if it is working or not. Okay, now let's check. Okay, now this is working in the about page, but if you try that in the services page, it is not working, right? So we have two options. One is we need to include that code, this code, inside our services page and contact page. So but that is not the right way. So let me tell you the quicker way. Just cut it from let's just delete it. Okay, let's just delete it from the about.html. Okay, go to the home.html. We have this code here. Now let's cut it from here. Now go to the base.html file. In here, after this end block, let's paste this code before the footer.html and after the end block. Just paste this code and save the file. Now this code will load in every pages. It is because we are extending the base.html file in all the template, right? Here also in the contact page also we are extending it. Okay, in the about page also we are extending it, in the home page also we are extending it, right? So now if you go to the okay, services page here, now let's try this. Okay, when you click on this, this is opening the overlay. Okay, in the contact also it is opening the overlay, right? That's how it works. That's it for now. In the next lecture we will install and configure our Postgres database. Thank you.